All right, guys, so I'm editing this video about my Everything Attachments rear blade here, a review, and something's happened. I don't know what's going on. Online, on Facebook, the Everything Attachments is just lit up. Their Facebook group is paused, and there are multiple screenshots to show their business permanently closed. And I guess they have a $1.9 million lawsuit or something. What is going on? These guys, they thump their chest about being the absolute best. And I think their stuff is pretty damn good. I mean, this rear blade is like, it's the real deal, man. And I got this other thing from them months ago. It also took like 4 months to get. I've got their Wicked 55. I got their Wicked 55 sitting right here. It's still strapped to the shipping pallet. I haven't even taken this thing off yet because I needed it in the spring, fall, early winter, and I didn't get it till winter. So the season that I would use it is already gone. I can't, what the hell's going on with these guys? Hey, you know what? Just take a look at this video. Maybe they're still in business, maybe they're not. But I'm just gonna preface this video by saying, take a look at this video. It's a pretty good product. If they're still open and you want one of these, you know, hydraulic rear blades with all the options on it, I think it's a really good deal. It's barely over $3 grand, you get a lot. So if they're not out of business, grab one, check out this video. Thanks for watching. I've been waiting a really long time for this Everything Attachments 72-inch rear hydraulic blade. Placed this order literally 6+ months ago, and I finally got it. So we're gonna unbox this together. I can't wait to see what it looks like. Yeah, it's wrapped really nice. I only see a few little spots where there's some damage. Like some paint missing. Oh yeah. This thing looks awesome. Yeah, it looks extremely beefy. I don't know if this is coming across well on camera. I don't know if I'll say this is worth the wait because it took an obscene amount of time, but it's got like a parking stand. It's got these huge cylinders here. I can't use all these. I ordered them with all the cylinders I could get. I'm gonna take some of them off. It's supposed to come with manual components as well because I can only use 2 circuits. So I'll basically be doing the hydraulic offset and the hydraulic left-right tilt of the blade. But the rest of it would be for, you know, if I ever upgrade the hydraulics on the tractor. Man, this thing is just wicked. Oh, check this out. What a beast. So right in here where my fingers are, oh wow, you can see it on camera pretty easily. There's some weld splatter that wasn't, you know, addressed, it was just painted over. That's gonna rust and bubble eventually. The blade's got a little bit of rust on the top of it. No big deal. I mean, this is a heavy wear item. Some mild paint chipping. That's probably from these things in transport. Yeah, just banging on it. Probably would have wrapped them up in some packing. Welds and stuff are pretty good. These welds look really good. This one's not a full weld. Yeah, all these look really nice. Man, this thing is just beastly. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Now you can see on this cylinder where there were no hoses rubbing on it, it didn't chip it up or anything. I know it sounds petty and all, but you know, you wait, like I ordered this and I waited 6 months for this, you know, and it was, you know, over 3,000 bucks. You know, when I ordered it, I kind of feel like, you know, they should be in absolutely pristine condition when they get to you. Check this out down here. We got some paint wear right there. That's gonna rust Other than that, man, she looks pretty good. I don't think, like I said, I've had some stuff come in way worse shape than this, so honestly, this is not too bad at all. Yeah, this thing is wild. Now, the next thing I gotta do is figure out bushings for this. I'm pretty sure I need bushings for the John Deere iMatch. So that's what I gotta figure out next. I think I have some laying around. We're gonna put this thing to use. The next big storm we get, shallow, heavy, wet accumulation that my snowblower doesn't like, we're gonna hit it with this thing. I've got some UHMW I need to put on this, so it doesn't scratch up my paved driveway. But other than that, I'm hoping that they reach out to me and we get the components that are supposed to be with this, and we'll go from there. But anyway, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.